I'm Sprite.
I'm Banana.
Wait, no, it's more ironic. I'm Banana.
I'm Little Sprite.
And we are here to f up some shit.
Especially your stomach coming at you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're here as promised in the last video. I think it should only be Alan right now doing this Banana and Sprite challenge, but he says, and some people in the comments of our last video, go check that out, pause this one, come back after that, see why we're drinking this in the first place and eating these. But anyways, so shout out to
Pedro Enrique Amarim Santos. And he gave us a little shout out. He said, "You two are nuts. This was hilarious. Try more eating challenges." And that's what we're going to do today from his suggestion for the Banana and Sprite challenge.
The Banana Sprite challenge is 5 bananas and 2 liters of Sprite. I've read differently. I think Pedro's putting us a little bit up to something. Because I've read it was only 2 bananas and 1 liter of Sprite. But we're going to try to go all out and let's see what happens here, I guess. And you want to make this into a challenge. Whoever finishes it first doesn't have to do the next eating competition and gets to pick the competition or the challenge that the person does. Alright, so
let's get these bad boys split.
then you kind of just, and we're good to go. Here we go. Before we actually dive in though, how do you think this is going to go?
I definitely think it's doable. I don't know what my strategy is going to be. I'm trying to think it's going to be better to get the Sprite down so it starts to get down to my peen. What?
You're peeing? No peeing during the competition. Let's crack these bad boys open on 3, 2. Wait, so right when it cracks, our time begin? You're good. Somebody put a clock right up here.
Ding, ding. Can we get a little one for us? Get a little rough ass move, right?
Okay, I'll wait. You're good.
Cheers.
Good call. Clink it and drink it. Not sponsored, no, fuck it. Still not sponsored.
You really can't fake drinking Sprite because you're just gonna burp the whole time.
Drinking Sprite that's what's the hard part about this, I think, especially for somebody like me who doesn't drink pop, dude.
It's the lightest soda out there.
But one of the most highly carbonated, I would argue. Should we put a calorie counter up?
Yeah, like
so there's 6 servings per container, 140 calories. So we're drinking right now. So let's see, 600 plus 200, 840 calories. And that includes 70 milligrams of sodium and 39 grams of sugar. 38 grams of sugar per serving. So hopefully this doesn't take too much time off our lives.
We got 105 calories per banana too. So 500 calories in bananas.
525.
I'm loving it.
It's not McDonald's. I left the Sprite warm, by the way. I don't know what you guys would do. I usually like my drinks very cold, but there's no way I was gonna do this much carbonation that cold, so.
You can't chug soda. Oh, no wait. Try to keep this above the whole time so you can't say it's fake.
I was asking Al what we're gonna do for dinner earlier, but I don't think we're doing dinner after this. Oh, my teeth already feel disgusting.
Yeah, but my teeth themselves are bubbly. The lemon lime.
Wingardium Spritiosa.
Yeah, get them bassy burps.
Don't you guys wish you had smell-o-vision right now? Smell-o-vision. Oh, that was such a good one right there. It didn't even make any noise, but wow. I felt like I was frickin' Charlie and
I'm ready.
Grandpa Joe in the frickin' Fizzinator, dude.
Woo!
Burp, Charlie, burp! Hood up, Mike. Chug some Sprite. Hood down, Mike. Hit the like. Hit the like. Hit the like. Oh. Hit the like. Yeah, I don't actually talk like that, but there's like carbonation on my freaking uvula. I I got a big burp wave on me.
There it is.
I told you I did. I wish we had enough followers that somebody would like make a song out of all our burps in this video. Guess we'll have to do it ourselves.
So what kind of song would that be? Like a basic dubstep or like a
I'm thinking kind of like
hip hop? Oh, I'm
I'm thinking like the, you know how Pedro does that? I think you get the verse up.
Here's another.
I know we pointed out a lot of things that we're going to put on the screen, but are we going to put a Sprite and a banana counter?
Yeah. I'm definitely
So that'll go somewhere over here. Over there.
That or we can even a little bit right here. A little bit back.
I feel like putting bananas on top of all that carbonation is probably what makes people puke, so.
How was it?
The banana? Pretty good. Sweet Sprite banana. Banana. Where my burps taste like poo.
Hey, I'll tell you what. My burps are not that bad. They're definitely lemon limeade. Lemon limeade.
Lemon limeade.
Lemon limeade.
Lemon limeade. Lemon limeade. Lemon limeade. Lemon limeade. Lemon limeade. Lemon limeade. Ooh, that helped me work a little right there. 2 quarts. And 3.6 pounds. Ooh, good call. Shake it up. Shake it up. Sir. How much time do you think it passed so far, dude?
Before I look at my
Here,
watch.
wait, just let me look up the timer. I'm gonna guess 5 minutes and 37 seconds.
11 minutes and 2 seconds right now. I started a little late, so it might be like 1:15. Whoa, that's cool. That burp was banana though. It's time to go. I just imagine the chunks of banana like a little Mento in my tummy.
A mental?
Like a little Mento in my tummy full of Sprite. It's just gonna start fizzing up.
Isn't it Diet Coke and Mentos?
You drop Mentos in anything, it's just gonna get fizzy.
Well, that's like a banana.
Yes, it's a little bit low on that. I got you. I'm not meaning to horse trump these bananas, man. I'm just trying to get this shit down.
You're not meaning to, or you will apologize for doing so.
Down. My ferocity can't stop, man. I'm all wired up on Sprite.
I'm all hopped up on Sprite, lemon lemonade. Oh my God. These are the densest bananas I've ever had in my life, man.
True that. One down. What was the actual challenge like limits? Like an hour or some shit?
I don't look up a time like that we're supposed to do it. I'm just trying to do it quick. This is called Sprite and Banana, not Drug on Bananas Challenge. Why'd you get gigantic? Are these organic bananas, dude? Why?
They're the only green ones out there, bro. I mean, the only not green ones. They were the only.
I don't know, like, look at this 2 liter for reference, yo. You can check out my banana pics. Unsolicited. Oh.
Pinky out, bro.
Oh, I need it. You ever try chewing without your tongue? harder than chewing without teeth, probably.
When you're talking about a banana, yeah. But when you're talking about anything that requires any bit of cutting force, banana ain't it. I mean, that's not it.
If you like Sprite and bananas, if you like picking a challenge for Alan.
I gotta keep them on there. I'm taking off these nips for sure.
I'm gonna take my nips off. You guys saw it. 5 bananas, 2 liters of Sprite. About 18 minutes. I'm kind of upset with that. I feel like I could have done better. I could have chugged that Sprite quicker, but had to burp in the middle of it. Drop a comment, suggest for me. I'm gonna pick my own at the end of the day. I mean, I might take your suggestion and put an evil twist on it. What should Alan's next challenge be? You know how orangutans like have that little belly? This is why they drink bananas or drink Sprite and eat bananas.
That's the death of the orangutan right there, is when you introduce the Sprite.
Pedro, how quick did you think we were going to get it done? Is that good? 18? 20?
Also, Pedro, was this an assassination attempt? Please don't.
Where are you going, guys? Are you kicking? Why did you start out the video like that?
Gotta be the banana to eat the banana.
It's a final banana. Boom. Oh man, he's gonna be real slow. But Mike? No, but Mike, what do y'all think?
Banana tip? No banana tip.
No, you gotta keep. Ooh, floppy tip or toppy tip? I'm a floppy tip. I thought that was the roof, dude.
No, my tummy.
One well-placed punch to the jejunum and
Oh, everyone.
2 liters of Sprite and 5 bananas would be out.
That's how baby food is made.
In the mouth of the guy in a banana suit.
Not necessarily. Could be a banana, Sprite costume too.
I'm banana,
On Sprite.
and we just beat the challenge.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Do you want your banana peeled?
Ooh.